Assalamu alaikum. Today we have very interesting MacBook for you. This is a very demanding MacBook as well. So I'm going to show you the specs of each MacBook one by one again and again. First of all, I'm telling you these both MacBooks have the same specs. Everything is same. This is MacBook Air M1. This is also MacBook Air M1, right? This is also MacBook Air M1. So I'm going to show you the specs one by one. So it has, this is MacBook Air. It has the RAM is 8GB. The RAM is 8GB, Apple M1 8GB RAM, and SSD is 256GB. So similarly, it has also, let me show you, it has 8GB RAM. This is M1. It has serial Q6L4, and the serial of this MacBook is QL64. I mean, it's almost same. So this is M5W. M5W. See, M5W. I'm going to show you M5W. And here it is M5U. Only very small difference. So what about the 8GB and 256GB SSD, right? So 8GB and 256GB SSD. So these both have same. So what about the cycle counts? It has 147 counts and 95% battery capacity behind left, right? So what about this? This has 165 cycle counts and 93%. 93%. Oh, let's count. Let's do a comparison of counts. 165, 147. I mean 350, and 13 cycle counts are, this is 13 lesser, this is 13 more. What about the maximum capacity? It has 93% and it has 95%, right? So it has M1 graphics, as we know. So what about this? Later on we will talk about the condition of the Mac. First I'm going to show you the charger. It has 30-watt charger, right? You see 30-watt charger. So it has it should be serial inside. One more thing, whenever you are buying M1 Air especially, the charger should be 30-watt and it has the serial, it should be the serial in it, unit CC4. And one more thing, this port should be in plastic port. You see, this is plastic, and let me show you very clearly. This port should be this port should be in plastic. While I have this MacBook charger for 87, this is 87 watt. Can you see the port of this MacBook, this charger? So what is the difference between them? It has metallic board, it has metallic port, but it has plastic port. So the genuine charger for the MacBook Air 30 watt, it has this one, while the 87 watt or 96 watt, it has this one, right? So this is the main what we call it, main idea to check the genuine charge. This is 87 watt, but if we find any 96 watt, 96 would be the same with this plastic port. So I'll make a video how to check genuine charger. So this is again 87 watt, 30 watt charger. There it is, it's 30 watt. It's again 30 watt charger, right? So this has the serial Apple Type-C. It should be has the serial inside. Let me find the serial for you. It has the serial in it. Let me show you, because it's wrapped like this way, so it's hard to, but it 100% I'm sure it has the serial, because this is box pulled MacBook, box pulled Type-C. It also has a serial, and this is also box pulled. I have found the serial of this cable. You see, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, right? So here you go. So now coming towards the MacBook, we have done with the accessories as well. So it has the power extension as well. So now coming towards these MacBooks, how they are condition wise. You see the MacBook buttons. Why they are shining? Because of these bulbs. You see, due to these bulbs they are shining. These are the Type-C ports, and you see this is the aux cable, and this is the Type-C ports. So you see there is no dent, there is no scratches, only these are the dust particles. You see, if you find any dust particle, we will definitely clean them later on, right? So it has the serial 5W FM 5W, right? So this is like this. So let me have a clear face for you. So now it's this, how it has look like. So you see why they are shining. I'm telling you again, because of these bulbs. You know, I have these yellow attractive bulbs. You see, these are the Type-C ports. Maybe my Mac is touching the bulbs as well. So you see, one more thing, MacBook Air, whenever you are buying MacBook Air, make sure MacBook Air, this is also dust particle. So whenever you are buying MacBook Air, make sure MacBook Air doesn't have any touch bar. So most of the customers, they ask Hassan bhai, why does Pro has a touch bar and Air doesn't have any touch bar? So it's like company, you know, it has a touch ID. You see the touch ID as well. So you can check your touch ID. You can adjust it, like log off, log on. So these are the accessories. Overall, I'm going to sum up. This is the power extension. This is the Type-C cable. This is the 30-watt charger. This is the adapter, 2-pin connector. This is 2-pin connector for the other hand. The 30-watt charger, the Type-C cable, and the power extension cable. So it has space gray color. It's not silver. It's not gold. This is space gray, and everything I have shown you in this video. Thank you so much for this long video.